is already working on a follow-up to its first 360-degree camera, and a new leak from the new camera gives us a first look at the engineering prototype of the Osmo 362. The design stays very close to the original, as it has the same square body and lens layout that has not been changed. The camera listed under the model number OQ002 has shown up in FCC filing, revealing a battery upgrade to 2150 mAh. That increase should give users more recording time before they need to recharge the batteries. It will also set to bring in NFC support. This will let users pair the camera with their phones and transfer files by simply tapping the two devices together, something most panoramic cameras don't allow. The original one was launched in July 2025 with a 1-inch square sensor, native 8K 50 frames per second panoramic video and panoramic photos up to 120 megapixels. So the sequel builds on the camera that's already well covered by the basics. Notably, the first Osmo 360 also leaked through FCC filing months before DJI made it official. So shortly after, this pattern of early certification leaks lines up with the real release isn't new for the company. Beyond the FCC listing, real-world photos and field test footage of Osmo 362 are now making the rounds, which means development is further along than early testing. DJI is not confirmed when they are going to release it, but between the certification paperwork, the prototype sightings, and an official announcement, looks shouldn't be too off.